Hello and welcome. I'm Eric Price, Applications Analyst with LI-COR. Today I'd like to show you how to connect your survey chamber to the LI-8100A soil flux system. You can use the 8100-102 survey chamber, like this one, which is a 10 centimeter chamber, or you might have an 8100-103 chamber, which is 20 centimeters. Let's begin. We'll start by connecting the tubing coming from the survey chamber. You'll notice that two of the tubes have the same type of connector, but one of them has black shrink wrap around it. This is to indicate where it goes on the analyzer. For the connector with black shrink wrap, you will attach that to the air-in connector on the analyzer. The black shrink wrap is to indicate that it goes to the air-in connector, which is surrounded by a black outline. The other similar connector goes to the bellows connector on the bottom. This is to enable the chamber to move up and down. The last connector goes to the air out port on the analyzer. Next, we'll attach the cable to the analyzer. Now, if you look at the connector, you'll see a small key that allows the connector to go in only one way. So let's remove the cap from the connector. And then what you'll want to do is align the cable so that the key matches up with its respective slot on the connector. To do this, you can gently twist the cable until you can feel it make contact. Once you feel it make contact, you'll be able to press the cable in. Then start tightening the silver part of the connector. Make sure to tighten it until you can't feel it move anymore. That's all there is to setting up a survey chamber measurement. We have other videos on our website describing how to connect auxiliary sensors such as soil moisture or soil temperature probes, how to connect power such as batteries or solar panels, and other videos describing how to communicate with the LI-8100A system. There are other resources such as the manual and documentation on our website as well. And as always, feel free to contact us if you have any questions.